Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. Today I've got for you the brand new model bobber, Triumph bobber. This 1200cc, it's absolutely gorgeous. First one I've seen in the flesh, and it's absolutely lovely. Really is a nice bike, is this. Silver over the red. It's got a lovely additional fly screen on there. Spoked wheels. They've got traction and ABS. And they've also got riding modes. You've got rain and road. You've got Vance and Hines pipes on there as well. 2017 on a 17 plate, but it does come with a really cool number plate, which cameraman will come around to in a second. That is going to stay with the bike as well. I'll show you the dashboard. 1,753 miles, that's all it's done. It's a 2017 on a 17 plate. We'll give it a start for you. You can adjust the seat. I mean, it is just cool as hell. It really is. It needs to be appreciated. Brand spanking new with all these accessories on. It's nearly £12,000. Always a massive saving with ourselves. So, come down to Jordanbikes and take a look yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. And once it's done, we will give you a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We also offer finance and PCPs, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. If you like what you've seen, give us a ring and get it bought. Thank you.